2010 Toyota FJ Cruiser, 58,000 miles, one owner, in pristine condition. Alloy wheels, running boards, new tires. Not a door ding, rock chip, or scratch on this vehicle. Roof rack, tow package. Amazing condition. Cloth seats are like new. There's the one owner Carfax report. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Original floor mats. Original manuals. Original keys. Backup camera in the rear view mirror. 4x4, 58,285 miles at the time of the video. Like I said, vehicle is in flawless condition. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. (2010) Toyota FJ Cruiser, one owner, 58,000 original miles. All original, no accidents, in wonderful condition.